Even though they were small, blackheads seemed to be the most stubborn form of pimples. As much as I tried to poke, squeeze and prod, they always seemed to return. I tried all sorts of creams, peels and masks, but alas, nothing worked. Until I took to the kitchen and found a number of remedies that finally got rid of my blackheads. Blackheads are small bumps on hair follicles. The dark surface caused by blackheads are an unwanted sight for anyone striving to have a clear complexion. Blackheads are mostly found around the nose and chin area. Most people assume that blackheads are caused by dirt. However, it is the buildup of sebum that causes your hair follicles to clog. It is tempting to squeeze the sebum out. Avoid this at all costs as it could lead to scarring. Here are some simple home remedies to get rid of blackheads naturally and prevent them from recurring. 1. Cornstarch and vinegar. Get 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix in vinegar until a mixture forms a thick paste. Apply to the blackhead affected area and leave it for 15-20 minutes. Rinse off with warm water, then follow up with cold water or an ice cube to close the pores. The cornstarch absorbs the excess oil, while the vinegar helps to fade the discoloration caused by the blackheads. For the best results, use this 2-3 times a week. 2. Honey. Honey has proved to be effective in removing blackheads. At the same time, it moisturizes and soothes the skin. Apply raw honey to a clean, dry face and let it sit for 20 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Honey can be used on the skin daily. 3. Egg white and honey. Egg white and honey mask is a great way to get rid of blackheads. The mixture can be applied all over the face. Leave it on your face until the skin starts to feel tight. Rinse off the mask with warm water. Not only will this mixture remove blackheads, but it will also leave your skin with a glow. 4. Lemon juice. Lemon juice removes dead skin cells, and because it is a natural astringent, it also gets rid of blackheads. Before going to bed, use cotton wool to apply fresh lemon juice to clean skin, concentrating on the blackhead area. You can leave this overnight and rinse it off in the morning with warm water. Repeat this every night for a week. Caution is needed when using lemon juice as it can dry your skin. If you have dry skin, add olive oil to the lemon juice and make sure to use a moisturizer once you have rinsed it off. 5. Bicarbonate of soda, baking soda. Baking soda, not to be confused with baking powder, scrub is a simple way to get rid of blackheads. Add a few drops of water to baking soda, use gentle motions to scrub it into the affected areas. Rinse off with warm water. Baking soda not only dries out blackheads but it also brightens the skin.